Andrew, what did you do? What did you do here? Were you bad?
No.
Were you bad?
No.
Then who did this mess?
Me.
So you were bad.
Me.
Who did this mess?
Me.
Are you gonna clean it up? Okay, put it all in the garbage bag then. Don't take it out of the garbage. No, 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 in the garbage bag. Are you having fun?